So this is wenner tetrapolar machine, and Sir Mark from China is the instructor of soil resistivity test. By using this machine, we will done soil resistivity test. First of all, this is measuring tape to measure the distance. These are the wires to be connected with wenner tetrapolar and steel bars. The hammers were also used to dig the steel bars. This is steel bar, and we use 4 steel bars to do our task. This is wenner tetrapolar machine. We unbox it first. This is wenner tetrapolar machine. These are the knobs. This is 90-volt battery to be connected with this wenner tetrapolar battery. We will consider the values according to this soil resistivity test record sheet. Our first value is 0.3 for the polarity Mn and 0.9 for the polarity AB. Here the polarity Mn and polarity AB. And now the steel bars are being digged by the laborers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0.9. This is 0.9 distance from reference point. First of all, we turn on this machine like by the help of this, and the machine will be turned on. Now these knobs will be connected to this battery. This is used for positive terminal. This is positive terminal of battery, so we will connect it here. And it will be connected to the negative terminal of the battery like this. Now it's another end will be connected to this wenner tetrapolar machine. This is positive terminal of battery, while this is the negative terminal of this machine. So machine has been connected to the battery, and the connection is now split. This wire will be also connected to M terminal of the machine. One end of this cable is connected to the M terminal of machine, while another end is attached to steel bar. One end of this wire will be connected to the positive terminal, A terminal of this machine, while another is connected to this terminal. So, now we'll connect N to N terminal. N terminal is negative terminal of this machine, while another end is attached to this steel bar, its negative side. Polarity we connected the with B polarity, its negative polarity of the terminal B. One is connected to terminal B, while other end of this cable is connected to terminal to steel bar. Now we will look at the sheet. MN distance is 0.3 meter, while AB distance is 0.9 meter. Now we will set this machine. Now we will put these values. In AB side the values 0.9, while MN side the value is 0.3. Now we'll click on this button. Again, in this way we have find the resistivity by using this machine. This is the value of resistivity. Today this was our task and we have done our soil resistivity test by the help of this machine.